Oh, am I getting it? I'm at the zoo getting it. Oh, everywhere I go, I'm like an aphrodisiac. All the animals want to get so when they see a player. I'm telling you, but it seems like all the animals in the animal kingdom are 1 minute. Yeah, you got that player. Good looking. I appreciate you doing that. You beat them down just like you supposed to when terrorists come. You show them how you the male and you the dominant. You the dominant. You dominated her. Good job. I swear, ladies, for all the complaining y'all give us about how long we be lasting, from what I see in the animal kingdom, we are doing way too much, okay? Way too much. And do you see her complaining? Nope. Get it again, player. Get it again.
So bad.
Oh man, I'm loving my day at the zoo. Oh yeah, she ran off. Oh, you just, oh look at her. Oh, she had to climb some shit. Oh, that gotta climb in the wall. Climb in the wall. You a bad boy, player. You are a bad boy.